Paris rain, the quiet elegance of a color. Imagine you're walking down a quiet street in Paris. The sky's a watercolor wash of gray and silver. Raindrops tap gently on the wrought iron balconies. Cafe windows glow amber, casting reflections on cobblestone paths. There's a hush in the city, as if Paris herself is pausing for breath. This is not a storm. It's not dramatic. It's the soft melancholy of a rainy afternoon. It has a color, and its name is Paris Rain. Paris Rain by Benjamin Moore is a muted gray-green, but to reduce it to just that would be like calling Paris merely a city. In daylight, it leans into its gentle green undertone, subtle, almost sage. In low light, it pulls back into a misty gray, like the sky before a drizzle. It dances with the hours of the day, soft and silvery in the morning, earthy and enveloping by dusk. It is neither cold nor warm, but balanced, a neutral with soul, a color that listens rather than speaks first. Think of rain sliding down the limestone facade of Montmartre, the color of river stones in the Seine, the moss that grows quietly between cracks in old garden paths. Paris Rain brings this feeling indoors, not just a color, but a mood. Introspective, tender, grounded. It doesn't shout, it whispers. It is a soft, sophisticated gray-green shade, known for its calming and elegant feel. Typically associated with Benjamin Moore's Paris Rain, it belongs to a family of muted, cool-tone colors that can vary in depth and undertone, depending on lighting and surrounding finishes. Shades of Paris Rain can range from lighter, misty sage tones to deeper gray-greens with blue undertones, making it a versatile choice for a variety of interiors. Design guidelines for using Paris Rain color in interior spaces. Living room. Use Paris Rain to establish a calm, sophisticated base that supports layered textures and accents. Ideal as a main wall color in modern classic or transitional living rooms. Enhances natural materials like oak, leather, and wool. Bedroom. Apply Paris Rain to create a tranquil, restorative environment that encourages rest and reflection. Excellent for accent walls behind the headboard or for all walls and minimal palettes. Pair with matte white or cream bedding and natural linen drapes. Complements wood flooring and plush textiles. Use warm lighting to balance the cool undertone and enhance coziness. Bathroom. Use Paris Rain to evoke a spa-like, serene mood, especially when paired with reflective surfaces. Works beautifully on walls or vanity cabinetry. Pairs well with white marble, soft matte tiles, or brushed nickel fixtures. Best applied in matte or satin finish for walls. Use semi-gloss for cabinetry. Use with light grout and bright white trims for a fresh, clean aesthetic. Kitchen. Introduce Paris Rain as a backdrop to soften the utilitarian nature of kitchen design. Suitable for cabinetry, backsplash areas, or breakfast nooks. Matches well with white quartz countertops, brass handles, or open wood shelving. Can be paired with white or light gray walls for visual balance. Works best in natural light-heavy kitchens to avoid an overly cool or flat appearance. Backyard outdoor spaces. Use Paris Rain as a subtle, nature-integrated shade that complements outdoor materials. Works well on patio walls, pergolas, or planters when used in exterior-grade paint. Blends seamlessly with greenery, stone, terracotta, and wood. Use as a neutral backdrop to highlight colorful outdoor furniture or plants. Avoid overuse on large facades unless broken up with natural materials or white accents.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and turn on the bell to stay updated with more home makeover ideas.